Hi everyone. In this video, I want to walk you through a simple and effective solution to a very common problem many Spotify users face: the "something went wrong, try again" error during login. This issue can be frustrating, especially when all you want to do is jump back into your playlists or enjoy your favorite podcast. Fortunately, the fix is usually quick, and in this video, I'll explain the most reliable steps to get you back into your account without hassle. This error usually appears when Spotify has trouble connecting to its servers or when there's a conflict with cached data stored on your device. So the first and most important step is to check your internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or simply resetting your router, can sometimes clear the problem instantly. If the error still appears, the next step is to refresh the Spotify app itself. Close the app completely, remove it from recent apps, and reopen it. A simple restart can re-establish a clean connection to Spotify's servers. If that doesn't work, clearing the app cache often makes a huge difference. On Android, you can do this by going into Settings, finding the Spotify app, and tapping Clear Cache. On iPhone, you can achieve the same effect by offloading or reinstalling the app. Cached data can become corrupted over time, so clearing it gives the app a fresh start and removes whatever was causing the login problem. Another common fix is to update the Spotify app. Outdated versions may not communicate correctly with newer server updates, which leads to this login error. Visiting the App Store or Google Play Store and installing the latest update can solve the issue instantly. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off, as Spotify may block logins from locations it doesn't recognize. And finally, if all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is the most reliable method. This resets all local files, wipes out damaged data, and gives you a clean installation to log in from. After reinstalling, simply enter your username and password, and in most cases, the error will be completely gone. By following these steps, checking your connection, restarting the app, clearing cache, updating Spotify, disabling your VPN, or reinstalling the app, you should be able to fix the "something went wrong, try again" login issue quickly and easily. I hope this guide helps you get back to your music without interruption. If it did, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.